This is Rookie eating collard greens. He's tearing it up. He really likes those collard greens. I don't think I've ever seen him eat those before.
Only a little bit one time. He tore them about half.
This is insane. You coming up for air, Rookie? Rookie, is that good? Rookie? Is that good? Is that good, Rookie? Mmm. Yummy. Oh my goodness. Oh, eat it up. Eat it up. Oh, are you done? Okay.